everyone, let me show you how JX30 deletes users. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hashtag to enter the system settings mode. Verify administrator password. Press hash. 1 wireless mode to door lock function. Press 2 to enter the door lock function. 1 add user to delete user 3 door lock function for add administrator. Press 2 to delete users. Please enter the unlock information to be deleted. Please confirm the user you want to delete. Press hashtag to confirm. Deleted successfully. The above are all the steps of how JX30 deletes users.